Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you this egg white face pack. So let's get started. You need 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 1 egg white. Now mix it well. To maintain the pouring consistency, add little water into the paste and mix it well. Now apply this pack on your face and keep this face mask at least for 20 to 25 minutes. And this face mask is effective for all skin types, even dry and oily skin type, they also can use it. After 25 minutes, just splash little water on your face pack and gently scrub with your hands, especially your nose area and near corner of your mouth. This sandalwood powder absorbs excess oil, wheat flour removes dark spots, egg white shrinks pores and gives you a firm look, and it prevents blackhead also. Then pat it dry. That's it. Bye. Take care. Follow for more. Bye.